welcome to my channel. I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet in a front loop only. I already started by making a row of double crochet stitches. If you don't know how to make double crochet stitches, I have a video for you on my channel, as well as a video on how to make your starting chain. So if you are a very green crocheter, my videos will be very helpful for you, so check those out. So let's go back to our tutorial today, which is the front loop technique of crocheting. You can do that with any stitch. It doesn't really matter, the technique is the same. So turn your work and let's make a first chain. Let's just chain 3 as a double crochet stitch. That counts, usually chain 3 counts as a double crochet stitch, and we will be crocheting in a following stitch. So to crochet in the front loop only, you just crochet. As you can see, the stitch is created out of 2 loops, a front loop and a back loop. What happened here? And it looks like a V. We usually insert the hook under both loops, but when you do the front loop crocheting, you only insert your hook through the first loop that is towards you. So that's what it's called, crocheting in a front loop only. Okay, so let's make a double crochet stitch in a front loop only. So yarn over as you do usually with a double crochet and insert your hook in just the loop that is closer to you, the front loop, and just continue to make your double crochet as usual. Okay, now let's do another one. Insert your hook in a front loop. So like I said before, you see the V, that is the entire stitch. We will be inserting the hook in just the front loop alone. So like I said, let's make a double crochet in there in a front loop only, and do your double crochet as usual. And as you can see in the back loops remain unworked and just create a beautiful ridge across your work, and that will look beautiful in different patterns with different color changes, depending on what you choose to make. So let's make now half double crochet in a front loop only, just to see that it's basically the same. So insert yarn over as you normally do for a half double crochet, insert a hook from front to back in the first loop alone, just one loop, and yarn over and crochet your half double crochet. Don't worry about the gap that you will see. They will flatten out as you continue to work. So don't worry if you have a gap in here, it will not remain like that. So let's do a single crochet. So for single crochet, obviously you don't yarn over, you just insert your hook. As you can see the V, just in a front loop, the loop that is closer to you, and make your single crochet stitch. That's it. So let's just make a few more stitches, random. I'm just gonna make random double crochet, half double crochet stitches in the front loop only, and then I'll show you how it looks on the back. Okay, so this is how it looks from the front where you work those loops, and you can see there's no major gaps. It all flattens and they disappear, and then on the back you have this beautiful ridge formed by the back loops that were unused, you can see here. And you can use this technique to create intricate pattern on your work or anything like that. And this is it. This is what working in the front loop only looks like. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. Don't forget to follow me on social media and follow and subscribe to my channel Crafting Happiness for more free tutorials like this one. Happy crocheting!